Good day, fellow educators. I am sharing some of the free and paid screen recording software that you may consider as one of your learning tools in new normal education era. Videos are excellent tools for visual and auditory learners. They can be used to demonstrate processes step by step in a tutorial, demonstrate software to other people, or record tips and tricks for later reference, share pointers for playing a game, record product reviews, record recurring problems with your computer to show tech support. But first, what is screen recording software? Screen recording software can record the entirety or portions of your computer or mobile screen. The recording can include everything from cursor movements to typing a URL into your browser to help people learn what to do and how to do it. Audio narration is available, and sometimes annotation is also offered as part of a tools package. However, no two screen recording tools are alike. Some screen recording tools can't save the recorded footage for various formats or export it to popular video platforms like YouTube directly. What is a good screen recorder? First, it must be easy to use. Second, it can record the entire screen, a particular area, or one window. Third, it lets users annotate the recorded footage. Fourth, it includes system and microphone audio. Fifth, it captures footage from external sources. And last, it has built-in export options. Desktop screen recorder versus online screen recorder. Offline functionality is the key difference between the two types. While desktop screen recorders can work without an active connection, online screen recorders require you to have stable internet. Here is the list of 2020 of best screen recorder software for teachers in the new normal education. ESEE Screengrabber Pro is a versatile and easy-to-use desktop recorder you can use to record your computer screen. Another screen recorder for Mac. It offers scheduled recording feature. This means you can set a start time and recording duration and leave the rest on the program. It will automatically begin to capture at the arranged timing. This tool is ultimately going to help the people who are going out and need a specific time to record the video. No restriction on size and time while recording tutorials. Easily able to record real-time videos such as presentations or live webinars. Sound editing features for enhancing video quality prior to sharing. Need to buy the product to avail full features. Video capture encoding cannot be changed. Screencastify is a video screen recording application that can capture program designed for Google Chrome. It helps you to record the content of the webcam, tab, or desktop by pressing a record button. This tool can be used for creating screencasts for record presentations, video tutorials, and many more. Luma is a tool that helps to get your message across through shareable video. With Luma, you can capture your screen, voice, and face and instantly share your video in less time than it would take to type an email. It works on Windows, Mac, and iOS. The advantages using Luma are: it records up to 1080p. It allows for live notations. It can record screen and webcam, or just screen, or just webcam. It can create as many as you want videos. ESEE Screen Recorder is a screen recording tool that allows you to record any area of your computer screen. This tool helps you to record video tutorials, apps and games, live streams, Skype calls, webinars, and more. The software can draw, outline, or add arrows and text to your video capture. It can record webcam video along with screen recording. It can zoom tool allows you to zoom in while recording. And it can set multiple screen captures on a timer. The free version only allows 10 minutes of recording time. WebM is the only available video format with a free version. While the Pro version, it has no limits to the length of videos recorded. It can save in a variety of video formats including MP4. It can add a personalized watermark to the video and have access to priority support. Movavi Screen Recorder Studio is a lightweight screen recording tool which is used for video streaming and capturing video calls. It helps you to capture full HD video at 60 frames per second. The software is an easy-to-use screen capture tool that enables you to record computer screens, capture webcam and audio, save recordings as videos and GIFs, and take screenshots. You can upload records to Google Drive or YouTube and share them with your audience via social networks. The software has a simple user interface, easy to handle and master even for computer newbie. It can support more than 13 languages. The installation is simple for newbie. It allows scheduled recordings. It has the ability to capture from mobile. The free version has a trial limit of 2 minutes only. The webcam options are limited. And it do not provide editing tools. Flashback Express is a free version of a paid flashback recorder. It has a simple interface and a great set of interesting features and tools. The freeware remains no logs or watermark on the video. It is simple and easy to record videos in super visual quality, allowing beginners to use it without technical skills. Export files are in AVI, WMV, GIF, standalone ESEE, and Flash video. The user need to register with an email address to get the software. It operates with higher CPU utilization than other software. The recorded files cannot be edited in the free version. The free trial is limited within 30 days. Screencast-O-Matic is a screencasting and video editing software tool that can be launched directly from a browser. The software has been widely used in the education sector to support video creation for flipped classrooms, bi-directional student assessments, lecture capture, and student video assignments. Make recordings up to 15 minutes in length with the free version. The video can be directly published on YouTube. Recording from both screen and webcam. The paid version is inexpensive. The online recording platform calls for internet access. Without internet access you will not be able to record, which can be inconvenient. It cannot able to use computer audio system for recording in free version. Free version of Screen-O-Matic does not allow full screen recording. Limited number of editing tools in the paid version. Watermark is visible on videos made with free version. A Powersoft screen recorder is a free web-based browser. To make it really easy for our tired readers, a Powersoft makes for a feature-packed piece of screen recording software, which, amazingly enough, has no time limits or ugly watermarks. The cherry on top is that it literally runs in your web browser, which is pretty cool. It can record what's on your monitor and webcam at the same time. It can add colors, shapes, notes, and different icons in real time while you're recording. And it's free. The recording cannot capture screen on a secondary monitor. OBS or Open Broadcaster software is a free screen video recorder that offers both recording and streaming in high definition, with no limits on the length of your videos. OBS isn't just for broadcasting. It has solid screen recording capabilities, but does not come with an editor. Can do lots more than just record your screen. Open sourced and 100% free. Might run into glitches because of the open source thing. I suggest working one version behind current to avoid glitches. No video editor. Camtasia is a tool to record and create professional-looking videos on Windows and Mac. With Camtasia, you can record professional videos of activity on your computer's monitor with minimal effort. In addition to recording videos, Camtasia also lets you import HD video into your recording from an external source. Camtasia is unique in that it can create interactive videos containing clickable links to generate dynamic video content suitable for use in the classroom or the workplace. It comes with a set of library assets, which are templates, images, motion graphics, and audio files that fit together to create an overall style for a video. Adds captions, callouts, and quizzes to your videos. It has green screen effect to make it seem as if you are a part of the action. The demo of full software is only free for 30 days. Users are prohibited from creating videos for commercial purposes when using the free version. One of the most expensive screen recorders. Pros and cons are based on the reviews of the following websites. The new normal for education compels us to unlearn what we have always known, such as rows of desks, bulky bags, classroom lectures, written exams, and parent-teacher communication. Unlearn those, and discover the new normal of education. Thank you for seeing and learning about this video of the best screen recorder software as one of the educators' learning tools in the new normal education era. To learn more tutorials, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button.